Hey, this is Brian with Mr. Rooter Plumbing doing a final sewer scope inspection of the sewer line that we just jetted out at 7617 Southwest Cedarcrest Street in Portland. Point of access is a 3-inch ABS cleanout. It's located in the downstairs pantry next to the kitchen. Alright, at the bottom of the cleanout here, we're going to go ahead and zero the footage meter out and head out towards the back patio. We'll have to move the camera from the back patio once we get to the Y to the cleanout outside to be able to camera the remaining portion of the line. Right now we're in ABS pipe. We just jetted the line, which did knock a little bit of rust scale loose. Not a big deal. It happens all the time. So look right here. We are transitioning to 4-inch cast iron pipe. As you can see in the upper portion of your screen, right below the PM, that's where the roots were coming in. So we cut those out. It's almost impossible to get all the roots out, but we got about 98% of the roots out. Alright, so here at the 43.5 foot mark, we cut on the Y here, so we're going to go ahead and pull the camera back and transition out to the outside cleanout. Alright, so now we're going to transition into the outside cleanout. Okay, so 4-inch ABS cleanout, we're heading up the line so we can check the serviceability of the roots that we just cut out. I do have a riser on my lens here to get my camera up out of the water, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get the camera to go up with the riser. Okay, so now we're going up the line here, transitioning to cast iron. There's some of the roots that we cut out. We did flush the line for about 10 minutes, so those will just be flushed down the line when the toilet flushes. Looks like we have some more roots coming in here. We'll give that another shot. There's the Y. Alright, we're going to go and pause the video and jet the line going up so we can cut the rest of the remaining roots out. Okay, we just jetted the line for approximately 10 minutes. So we're at the end of the Y here. We'll pull the camera back and evaluate the pipe. There's the Y from the downstairs basement. And here is where the roots were coming in. These are little stringers. It's almost impossible to get these little stringers out. Come back, we're going to be transitioning to ABS pipe right about here where the line goes underwater. We're going to run the camera down out towards the main as fast as we can, and then we're going to go ahead and evaluate the pipe on the way back. Okay, so there's the main there. So we're going to go ahead and evaluate the pipe on the way back. But the 66 foot mark is where the roots were coming in. There's a little bit of an offset there. It's kind of hard to see. Right about here. Just got as much as the roots as we can out, and looks pretty good. And that is a test tee right there, which means it's a fitting that's installed to check the plumbing on the line. So the roots are coming in through the top of that test tee. And it's going to be almost impossible to get all those roots out. Looks like we're pulling back some loose roots that we cut out. Those will get flushed down the line. A little bit of rust scale buildup right there. And that concludes the sewer scope. The roots that were in the line are about 95% cut out. It's going to be almost impossible, like I said, to get all those roots cut out. So that concludes the sewer scope. Thank you.